Hello everyone, this is Preeti from Ken Institute of Executive Learning. I would like to ask you all a question. How much is a convocation important to you? Of course, very important, because it is a recognition given to your learning, to your efforts and your knowledge that you have put in to get this certification. So here at Ken Institute, we are launching the first ever virtual convocation for the working professionals. KENDRIA, the Royal and Vice Protector. You, the protectors, who risk their life every day to keep the society and environment safe. Don't you want to celebrate this auspicious occasion with your family and friends? We give this opportunity where we congratulate our alumni on successfully completing their course and getting certified for their expertise. So addressing all of you, hoping to be a source of inspiration to be a part of KENDRIA. Be one of them and get enrolled with Ken Institute of Executive Learning. Thank you.